Guess the military phrases or code words.
Hold your fire.
Stop the gun.
Ano eh, si Udi lang nakuhibo.
Don't fire yet.
Hold the bomb.
Don't
Drop the missile. Uy!
don't drop the bomb.
2, 1.
Do not shoot.
Copy that.
Roger. Understand.
Or understood.
Man down.
Huh?
Head down.
Killed the man. Killed the enemy.
innocent.
Killed an enemy.
Kill the murderer. Kill the sheriff.
Killed the victim.
1.
Kill the...
Soldier is injured or killed.
Tango down.
Uy, no, nasa si Udi.
Oh, don't go
Three.
down.
Enemy down. Dili. No, victim down.
So kami ng down.
Enemy dead.
Enemy dead. Died.
Kuan consider. Enemy eliminated. Kill.
Uy, ano down?
Next.
Roger.
Copy.
No.
Understand.
3,
Understood. Understandable.
2, 1. I hear you or affirmative. Next.
Engaged.
Married.
Alitan, do not engage. 3.
Communicate.
No.
Communicated.
Talk.
Talk.
2,
Sniper.
Do not communicate.
1.
Ano nang mag...
Attack. Next.
Ceasefire.
Fire the gun.
Ceasefire. Nag-ceasefire na yun.
3,
Nagubat ang...
The fire is not
Missile
firing.
down.
1.
Humanda ang gera.
Stop shooting.
Stop shooting. Bulok na.
Next.
Hostile.
Hostile missile.
Hostile missile.
3,
Hostile out.
2.
Pero mayroon may makadungog na sa si Udi.
Kasang sakit. Wala na ako siya.
1.
Enemy or threat.
Double time.
Faster.
Next. Move faster. Cover me.
Cover me.
Hide me.
Hide me because the enemy is attacking me.
3.
Save. Save me.
Show me.
Save.
Invisible. Don't kill me.
Save me.
Two.
Uy, consideration.
Consider na lang protect me.
Because I'm hot for your gun.
Next.
Sniper.
Sniper. Gun.
Sniper.
A gun with...
Ano pa man ang sniper?
Gun.
Gun. Get down. Sniper.
3,
Gun.
2,
Maria Clara.
1.
A soldier who shoots from far away.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Gira.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Change
Out of-
oil.
Out of gear. Change bullet.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Napadong gubat
Stand.
ba? Tama. Gear up.
Prepare.
Prepare the gun.
Pwede sa niche. Consider ka niche.
Prepare the
Get
weapon.
your equipment ready.
Okay?
Fire in the hole.
Fire.
Flying test.
Ito na fire in the hole.
Fire in the hole.
Shoot the enemy.
No. 3,
Saba.
2,
Shoot the... Bomb missile.
1. A warning before something explodes.
Next.
In sight.
Bethesda.
Kuan.
Inside.
Katong...
Inside.
Saba ba?
3,
Focus.
The enemy is over there. They focus.
Consider. You can see the target.
Taga man.
Target locked.
Enemy down.
No.
Target spotted. Ready to fire in the hole.
Ready to 3.
Ready to fire the gun.
Prinsesa.
Consider ready to shoot accurately.
Boko ng prinsesa. Uy. So, that's it for today's video. At ang likes vlog.